ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयुन्
ऐन्
ऋलृक्
ऋलृक्
एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमङणनं झभै
झभै
घटदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ चटतौ
खचटथ चटतौ
कपै शशसर्
शशसर्
फल्
फल्
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
मूढा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
दन्ताः
पू उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
औष्ठौ
न्यमाणानां नासिका च
नानानां नासिका च
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
We'll continue the exercises. Here, from this lesson onwards, is going to introduce Kriya Padam. What is Kriya Padam? What is Kriya Padam? Kriya Padam is verbal form. Nama Padam is noun form. Kriya Padam is verbal form. The Kriya Padam to be used in keeping with the vachanam of the noun in the sentence. The Kriya Padam to be used in a sentence. Kriya Padam is important. Every sentence must have a verb. A verb alone makes a sentence. Ekating vakyam. A vakyam, a sentence, it must have one verb. One verb must be there. If a verb is there, then it is sentence. For example, patati. Patati means reads. It's a vakyam. It's a sentence. How patati is a vakyam? Patati is only eats. Doesn't talk about anything. No. Patati is referring to the person. Referring to what person? Third person. Somebody eats. That may be he or she or it. We don't know, but it is there. We can supply. Sahak patati, or sa patati, or tat patati. So the noun could be of any gender, but it has to be ekavachanam, only one person, because patati is ekavachanam. And patati, the kriya padam eats, it is present tense. So kriya padam denotes the person. The person, even if it is not there, we can supply. And the person, what person is, whether it is third person or second person or first person. Third person is he or she or it, third person, somebody other than you and me. If it is you, then it is second person. If it is me, then it is first person. So the Kriya Padam tells you what person is that. Third person or second person or first person. Suppose if I eat, I read, aham patami. The Kriya Padam will be patami. If you read, it will be patasi. So the Kriya Padam gives the knowledge of the person. First person, second person, or third person, and also the Kriya Padam. If it is a Bahuvachanam, then the person is plural. So we have to understand it is plural. So here, so far we have seen sentences without Kriya Padam. It doesn't mean Kriya Padam not there. Kriya Padam is hidden. It is there. If it is not there, we have to supply. If a Kriya Padam is not there in a sentence, then we supply depending on the person. If it is third person, then the default Kriya Padam is asti. The default Kriya Padam is asti. Like here, the last exercise what you did, Parnam asti. Asti is the Kriya Padam. Asti, what asti? Parnam asti. Parnam is Napumsakalinga, Ekavachanam. If it is Pustakam, asti. Palam asti. Aja is Strilinga Shabda, meaning female goat. Aja asti. So the words change, the gender of the words change, but Kriya Padam doesn't change. Kriya Padam is same, like in English. Like in English, eat is a verb or read is a verb. That doesn't change based on the gender. Whether he eats or she eats or it eats, it is eats only or reads only. Doesn't change. Similarly in Sanskritam also, Kriya Padam doesn't have gender. Nama Padam has gender. Kriya Padam doesn't have gender. Kriya Padam tells you what person is and the number of the person, whether it is singular, dual, or plural. Suppose here Parnam is Ekavachanam, Parnam asti. Suppose if it is Parnani, then it will become Santi. The Kriya Padam is Santi because Parnani, Parnam, Parne, Parnani, we know. Palam, Pale, Palani. Palam is one fruit. Pale, two fruits. Palani, many fruits. So if it is Palam, asti. If it is Pale, Pale is two fruits. Then Staha. If it is Palani, Palani many, therefore Santi. So the Kriya Padam changes with number. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Now, before going to the next exercise, let us do this and then we will do, so that the next exercise will be easy. You can repeat. This, you remember this, the words Kriya Padam, Asti, Staha, Santi. Maybe I can type that. Just a minute. You have to remember Kriya Padam which I am going to type. You can say Asti,
Asti.
Staha,
Ha.
Santi,
Santi.
Asti, Staha, Santi,
Asti. Staha. Santi.
Asti, Staha, Santi,
Asti. Staha. Santi.
Ramah, Ramau, Ramaha,
Ramah. Ramah.
Ramah, Asti,
Ramah. Asti.
Ramau, Staha,
Ramau. Staha.
Ramaha, Santi.
Ramah. Santi.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ramaha Asti, Rama is. How many Ramas? Only one Rama. Ramastaha. Ramo, two Ramas are there. Ramaha Santi. How many Ramas? Many. Kodanda Rama, Sita Rama, including Sapat Rama also you can say. Many Ramas are there, right? So there are many Ramas, therefore Ramaha. Here it is Kriya Padam. This is Nama Padam, Ramaha. This is Kriya Padam. Rama is what person? First person.
Third person singular. Ramaha.
Is it first person?
Third person.
Third person.
Singular.
First person is I.
I.
I am. I or we too. That is the first person. Right?
Okay.
It is Ramaha is third person. So third person, we will write like this. This is the notation for us. Roman 3, third person. Right? Rama is third person. Then Staha is third person, Dvivachanam. And Santi is third person, Bahuvachanam. So now Ramaha Asti, when I say Ramaha Asti is a valid sentence. It's a Vakya. It's a valid Vakya. Ramaustaha, valid sentence. Ramaha Santi, valid Vakyam, sentence. Suppose if I say Ramaha Staha, is it correct?
Wrong.
Because here it is Ekavachanam and here it is Dvivachanam. So it cannot be Ramaha Staha. It has to be Ramaustaha. The Vachanam has to match. Remember, the Vachanam of the Kriya Padam Staha, the Vachanam of the Nama Padam, here it is Ramau, has to match. Understand? So the denominator, you have to see what Vachanam. If it is same, the sentence is valid. This abhyasa, this practice you have to do. This is for the third person. Similarly for second person, similarly for the first person. Second person, first person we have not seen so far. Don't worry. We will see it later. First, let us get this practice. Now the next one. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
All of you can repeat. Harihi, Asti.
Harihi,
Asti.
Hari, Staha.
Hari,
Staha.
Harayaha, Santi.
Harayaha. Santi.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guruhu. Guravaha.
Guruhu, Asti.
Guruhu,
Guruhu. Asti.
Guru, Staha.
गुरुस्तः
गुरवः सन्ति.
गुरवः सन्ति
So asti तः सन्ति, remember. पिता पितरौ पितरः.
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता dash, what will come?
पिता अस्ति
You say pitarau,
पितरौ स्तः
then
पितरः
पितरः सन्ति
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः.
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्ता
कर्ता अस्ति
कर्तरौ
कर्तारौ स्तः कर्तारः सन्ति
this is kartaru, not kartaru. Dirgha is dirgha is that you give that much matra, the time. Don't say kartaru, kartaru. This is pitaru. If you say kartaru, then it becomes like pitru shabda. It's not pitru shabda. Katra is agent, noun base. Kartaru, pitaraha, kartaraha. You have to see the difference. Yeshah etau yete.
एषः एतौ
Yeshah
एषः अस्ति एतौ स्तः एते सन्ति
ayam imau ime.
अयम् इमौ इमे
Ayam
अयम् अस्ति इमौ स्तः इमे सन्ति
sahatate.
सः तौ ते
Saha
सः अस्ति तौ स्तः ते सन्ति
kaha kauke.
सः कौके
Kaha
अस्ति कौ स्तः ते सन्ति
what does it mean? Kaha asti.
Who is what is this?
What is this or who is this? Kaha asti. Saha Ramaha or Yeshaha Ramaha asti or Balaha asti. Kaha asti. Acharyaha asti. Guruhu asti. Balaha asti. Right? Kaustaha Acharyau staha. Right? What is this or who is this? That's the meaning. Rama Rame Ramaha.
Rama
Rama
अस्ति रमे स्तः रमाः सन्ति
Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha.
नद्यौ नद्यः
Nadi
अस्ति नद्यौ स्तः नद्यः सन्ति
Matihi Mati Matayaha.
मतिः मतयः
Dhenuhu Dhenu Dhenavaha.
धेनु धेनवः
Vadhuhu Vadhvau Vadvaha.
वधूः वधवः
Mata Matarau Mataraha.
मातरौ मातरः
Esha Yete Yetaha.
एषा एते एताः
Iyam Ime Imaha.
इयम् इमे इमाः
Ta Tetaha.
सातेताः
Ka Kekaha.
काकेकाः
Phalam Phale Phalani.
फलं फले फलानि
Phalam Asti.
फलम् अस्ति
फले
फले स्तः फलानि सन्ति
Okay. Etat ete etani.
एते एतानि
Idam ime imani.
idam
idam ime imani
tattetani
tattetani
kim ketani.
imani.
This is the exercise we are going to do now. Now again, Priyaji, you can read. Purva prishte kasya chitram asti. See, you are using the word asti here, the Kriya Padam. Kasya chitram nasti iti likantu. Oh, this we already have done this.
And then last week.
The next one. Kaha asti kaustaha. We have to write. What is the Ekavachanam and Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam also given. Ke santi. See, kaha asti. Just now we did. Kaha asti kaustaha ke santi. Right. So kaha asti means what is this or who is this, depending on what the thing is. If it is an object, then what is this? If it is a person, then who is this? The translation to be done accordingly. Because you're translating into English, so English, whatever the syntax, whatever that appropriate translation that you have to do. Kaha asti, if it is referring to a person, who is this? If it refers to an object, what is this? Right? Now read, please read.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Samyak Patantu. The heading you see, Samyak Patantu is read well. Ruktastanani Purayantu. Fill in the blanks. So Samyak Patatu. Read well. Please read.
Kaha asti vrikshaha asti. Kaustaha vrikshaustaha. Ke santi vrikshaha santi.
Next
Kaha
one.
question padikkanolaji.
Yes.
Kaha asti parvataha asti. Kaustaha parvataustaha. Ke santi parvataha santi. Kaha asti devalayah asti. Kaustaha devalayau staha. Ke santi devalayah santi. Kaha asti shukaha asti. Kaustaha shukaustaha. Ke santi shukaha santi.
Yes, good. Anupamaji.
कः अस्ति वृद्धः अस्ति कौस्तः वृद्धौ स्तः के सन्ति वृद्धाः सन्ति कः अस्ति शकटः अस्ति कौस्तः शकटौ स्तः के सन्ति शकटाः सन्ति कः अस्ति रथः अस्ति कौस्तः रथौ कौस्तः
It's right. Rathau.
रथौ स्तः के सन्ति रथाः सन्ति कः अस्ति दण्डः अस्ति कौस्तः दण्डौ स्तः के सन्ति दण्डाः सन्ति कः अस्ति दीपः अस्ति कौस्तः दीपौ स्तः के सन्ति दीपाः सन्ति कः अस्ति दर्पणः अस्ति कौस्तः दर्पणौ स्तः के सन्ति दर्पणाः सन्ति
Good. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. का अस्ति शिला अस्ति
What is Shila?
शिला means mountain.
Shila is
Stone.
stone.
So okay.
leaf
Shila is stone. What did you say, Umaji?
Okay.
Did you say correctly or you say something? I didn't hear properly.
Shila is stone.
Stone. Shila is stone. We say what Shila, that Murti. Salagrama Shila.
Oh.
Shila is stone.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
का अस्ति,
No,
शिला
here.
अस्ति,
Okay.
के स्तः,
One minute. Okay. Here, I have to tell you something. Here it is Strilinga, Shila. Therefore, the question you have to change, not kaha, kau, ke. Previously, what did we see? Kaha asti. Why? Because all the words are pullinga. Darpanaha, deepaha, dandaha, rataha, shakataha, vruddhaha, shukaha, devalayaha. All these are pullinga shabdaha. Therefore, kaha, kau, ke, kaha asti, kaustaha, ke santi. Now it is Strilinga. Shila is akarantaha, Strilingaha, Shila shabdaha, Rama shabdavat, like Rama, Rame, Ramaha we chanted. So, therefore the question will change. It is not kaha asti. It is ka asti. You have to remember Kim Shabda Strilinga. Strilinga Rupam. Ka, ke, kaha. So, ka asti. And ke staha. Ke staha, suppose if I ask you, ke staha. K is there in Pullinga, K is there in Napumsakalinga also. Now, what linga is that K? How do you know? Not okay, I'm asking you. Okay, I'm asking anyone. Anybody can answer. What linga K is? In a Vakyam, K staha. What is K? What vachanam? What linga? How do I know?
Depends on the gender, G.
के स्तः means
And I'm not asking the meaning. Listen, I'm asking what is K. I want to know whether it is Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam, sorry, Bhagavachanam or which linga. How do I know?
It is Dvachanam.
Akaranta
Yes.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Listen to my question carefully. Kestaha, the vakyam is there. The sentence is there. The question is there. K is whether it is Pullinga or Strilinga or Napumsaklinga, number one. Number two, what vachanam? Ekavachanam, sorry, Dvivachanam or Bhagavachanam. How do I know?
Because it is A.
बहुवचनं
Depends on the gender.
A is Dvivachanam, no? Because Shila is
Dvivachanam,
from
you
it is बहुवचनं.
No. First, you
Yeah, for
understand the question. Very good. Tell me. Somebody said.
staha.
Yes.
For staha, you will get to know it is Dvivachanam.
Very good.
But
That
for
is the
K,
answer.
yeah.
How do you conclude whether it is Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam? The Kriya Padam tells you. Imagine, think and answer. Staha is there. Staha is what Vachanam?
द्विवचनं.
It has to be, it is Dvivachanam. That you cannot conclude it as just Strilinga. Why? What about in Napumsakalinga? Kim ke kani? It could be
Yeah.
Napumsakalinga also. We don't know. How do you know it is Strilinga? Two fruits are there. Palestaha, Kestaha, Palestaha, I can say. It is correct only. With regard to gender, we cannot say, number one. Because Strilinga as well as in Napumsakalinga, Vivachanam is K only. Ka ke kaha, kim ke kani. But with regard to the, it cannot be Pullinga. That we know for sure because Saga is Dvivachanam. In Pullinga, kaha, kau, it has to be kau. If it is Pullinga, the question should be kaustaha, not kestaha. So Pullinga is ruled out. It cannot be Pullinga. It has to be either Strilinga or Napumsakalinga. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, question.
Yes, they understood.
If it is Pullinga, then the question must be kaustaha, not kestaha. So it is not Pullinga. It can be, now it can be kestaha. The K may refer to either Strilinga or Napumsakalinga, possible. Now, can it be Bhagavachanam? K? K, can it be Bhagavachanam?
K alone can be Bahuvachanam, but staha.
Staha is there because staha in the Vakya, staha only you have to see. Staha is there, staha is Dvivachanam, therefore K cannot be Bhagavachanam.
Okay.
Then if it is not Bhagavachanam, Therefore, it is not Pullinga also. Kaha, kau, ke. In Pullinga, it is Bhagavachanam. Therefore, it is in both ways, it is ruled out. It is cannot be Pullinga. Pullinga can be ruled out either in terms of its Vachanam. Number one, it is Bhagavachanam. If it is Pullinga, then the question should be Kesanti, not Kestaha. So, Kesanti has to be there. Otherwise, or Kaustaha has to be there to refer to Pullinga. Because here it is Kestaha, therefore Pullinga is ruled out. Between Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, we have a choice. That depends on the context, what you refer to, or which object or which person you refer to. All of you, do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Understood. Understood.
Yes, Guruji.
So don't conclude immediately. Don't say Bhagavachanam, that immediate answer, whenever you get immediate answer, it is going to be wrong only. Think and answer. Thinking is required. K is there. K alone, you cannot say what gender is. You have to see the Kriya Padam. The Kriya Padam gives you a lot of information about the noun. Kriya Padam, not only noun, it gives information about the time, whether it is present tense or past tense or future tense. Like in English, or the same, eat, ate, eaten. So Kriya Padam gives you what tense is, how many persons are there, then how many persons are there, and other information also it gives. That we will see a lot. Now it's too early to give a lot of information about that. So in a Vakyam, the first thing what you have to see is the Kriya Padam. Don't see the noun first. When a sentence is given, even when a shloka is read, when you read a shloka, first you have to find the Kriya Padam. Through Kriya Padam, you have to bring one by one Nama Padam. Who is the Karta? Which is the Karma? So the Kriya Padam gives you those information. And Kriya Padam also tells you whether it is active voice or passive voice. That's another information. Active voice or passive voice. This is active voice. Passive voice will be different. We will see that later. We don't have to bother about it now. So the Kriya Padam is, you note this point. This I keep repeating. I will keep repeating this. Kriya Padam is very, very important. First thing you have to look for in a sentence is the Kriya Padam. In spite of teaching for so many classes, I'm talking about other classes, people, they don't follow this. In the sentence immediately, if Ramaha, Vanam Gachati, suppose one Vakyam is there, they will see only Ramaha. They start the analysis of the sentence with the word Ramaha. That is not correct. They keep repeating, but they do same mistake. You have to take the Kriya Padam, Gachati. From Gachati, you have to bring in, by asking questions, you have to bring in the other words. Then the Vakyam can be clearly understood. Your analysis of the sentence should start first with the Kriya Padam. You please write this. Important. Don't just conclude the meaning of a sentence by looking at the Nama Padam first. If you look at the Nama Padam first, K, then you will conclude Bhagavachanam. By in Pullinga it is Bhagavachanam, I will say Bhagavachanam. That is wrong. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we read Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Ka asti, Shila asti, Ke staha, Shile staha, Kaha sandhi, Shilaha sandhi.
Not
Mala-
Sandhi. We are not doing Sandhi. Santi.
Santhi,
Not Dirga. Santi.
Sandhi.
Not
Ka
Sandhi.
asti,
I'm hearing a Sandhi. The Dakara sound is there. It is Santi.
first that, okay. Santhi.
Hmm.
Ka asti, Mala asti, Ke staha, Male staha, Kaha sandhi, Malaha sandhi. Ka asti, Nauka asti, Ke staha, Nauke staha, Kaha sandhi, Naukaha sandhi. Ka asti, Kalika asti, के स्तः कलिके स्तः का सन्ति कलिकाः सन्ति का अस्ति पत्रिका अस्ति के स्तः पत्रिके स्तः का सन्ति पत्रिकाः सन्ति का
Santi.
सन्ति
Santi.
सन्ति का
Next
अस्ति
person. Next person. Subbalakshmi ji. Number 6.
अस्ति मस्तिका अस्ति
Makshika asti.
मक्षिका अस्ति
Hmm.
के स्तः मक्षिके स्तः का सन्ति मक्षिका
Just now I said ka santi is
का सन्ति
syntactically wrong. Ka is ekavachanam. Santi bahuvachanam.
sorry काः सन्ति मक्षिकाः सन्ति
Hmm.
का अस्ति पिपीलिका अस्ति
Pipilika asti.
पिपीलिका अस्ति के स्तः पिपीलिके स्तः काः सन्ति पिपीलिकाः सन्ति
Pipilikaha santi. Read slowly. Why you are in a hurry? This
पिपीलिकाः
Rasva Dirgha is there. Pipilika.
पिपीलिकाः सन्ति
Hmm.
का अस्ति पेटिका अस्ति के स्तः पेटिके स्तः काः सन्ति पेटिकाः सन्ति
Read slowly.
का अस्ति बालिका अस्ति के स्तः बालिके स्तः काः सन्ति बालिकाः सन्ति का अस्ति अजा अस्ति के स्तः अजे स्तः काः सन्ति अजाः सन्ति
Next person. What is Ipka or Deepika? IPKA is okay. Deepika ji. In the chat box, you have type your name. IPKA. What is IP?
I-
IPL, I know. IPKA.
Yes. Yes, by this thing.
It's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Number 11.
Balika is 11. Yeah. Kaha asti
Kaha asti. Kaha is.
sorry, ka asti shatika asti ke stah shatike stah kaha santi shatika santi
Shatika is.
shatikaha santi kaha
What is the meaning of the word Shatika?
sorry
Okay.
का asti vatika asti vatika means a garden
Yes.
के स्तः वाटिके स्तः काः सन्ति वाटिका
Kaha santi.
काः सन्ति वाटिका सन्ति
Vatika santi. Vatika is ekavachanam. Santi bahuvachanam. Doesn't match.
वाटिकाः सन्ति
Don't forget the visarga.
Yes, yes.
Vatikaha is different. Vatika is different. Vatika asti. Vatikaha
Vatika.
santi.
Yes.
Okay.
का अस्ति नाटिका अस्ति के स्तः नाटिके स्तः काः सन्ति नाटिका सन्ति
Natikaha santi.
I just yeah नाटिकाः सन्ति
It's a mistake.
yes
Hmm.
का अस्ति रोटिका अस्ति के स्तः रोटिके स्तः काः सन्ति रोटिकाः सन्ति का अस्ति लता अस्ति के स्तः लते स्तः काः सन्ति लताः सन्ति
Next person. Ka asti kestaha kaha santi. The same. Udaharananusaram vakyani likhantu. Parulji.
sir.
Read
Ka-
slowly,
Yes, sir.
clearly, without mistakes. Yes.
का अस्ति लेखनी अस्ति के स्तः लेखन्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति
Kaha santi.
काः सन्ति लेखन्यः सन्ति
Lekanyah. Don't drop the visarga.
लेखन्यः सन्ति अंकुनी
Not Ankuni.
अंकनी का अंकनी नो का अस्ति का अरे अंकनी अस्ति
Hmm.
के स्तः अंकन्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति
Kaha santi.
काः सन्ति अंकन्यौ अंकन्यः सन्ति
Yes.
दै दैनन्दिनी अस्ति दैनन्दिनी नहीं एक सेकेंड दैनन्दिन्यौ
Nandinyau.
दैनन्दिन्यौ
Dainandinyau.
दैनन्दिन्यौ
Not Nandanyau. The Pratipadikam is Dainandini.
हाँ
Nandi,
So,
not Nanda. Nandini.
नंदिनी दैनन्दिन्यौ
Ah,
स्तः
yes.
दैनन्दिन्यः सन्ति
Nandinyaha santi.
दैनन्दिन्यः
You are saying
सन्ति
Nandanyaha. You are dropping the word Nandini. Nandi is there. Nandini.
So दैनन्दिनी no the last one will be यः
Last one will be Yaha, not the preceding one, but your preceding one, Ikara also you are removing it.
दैनन्दिन्यौ correct sir
Dainandinyav Dvivachanam.
हाँ
Bhagavachanam.
द्विवचन दैनन्दिन्यः
Yes, that's
सन्ति
correct. Santi.
नारी अस्ति नार्यौ स्तः नार्यः सन्ति कर्तरी अस्ति कर्तर्यौ स्तः कर्तर्यः सन्ति
Good. Next person. Yajna Priyaji. I hope you know the meaning of all these things. Lekani, Ankani, Dainandini. Dainandini is what?
scissors
Dainandi.
Dainandini means daily,
Newspaper.
Huh?
daily means
It's a diary. Na-
Daily,
yes.
yeah, every day.
Dinam. The Dainandini is diary. Okay. Dinadarshika, calendar. Dainandini is diary. Your diary. Right? D-I-A, not D-A-I. Milk, not milk product. Dainandini, diary. Then number 6, again Priyashi.
Yes, ji.
Ka asti.
जी
Ka asti.
हाँ का अस्ति नटरज्जनी अस्ति
Again. Read again.
नटरज्जनी अस्ति
Read again.
नखरज्जनी
Read again. And say the word.
नटरञ्जनी अस्ति
Hmm. Yes. Nakaranjani, not Rajani.
what is the meaning of nakharanjani
Tell me.
Nail polish.
Nail polish. Naka is nail. Ranjani is to color. Coloring the nail. What is that? Nail polish. Right?
Okay.
And Oshtaraga. Oshtaraga is
Lipstick.
lipstick
Oshta is lip.
lips
Raga is again, it's painting. Painting the lips is called Oshtaraga. So you can coin words like this. Lipstick is there. Then in Sanskritam, we coin the words Oshtaraga, Nakaranjani. Okay. Please read. Nakaranjani is Trilinga. Not because only women use. It is, the word is Trilinga. Yes, read.
के स्तः नकरञ्जन्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति नखरञ्जन्यः सन्ति का अस्ति नर्तकी अस्ति के स्तः नर्तक्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति नर्तक्यः सन्ति का अस्ति घटी अस्ति के स्तः घट्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति घटयः सन्ति
Gatyah santi, not gatayah.
घट-
Oh, nadi nadyau nadyah. How can gati will become gatayah?
घट्यौ स्तः सन्ति सन्ति सारीजी
Gatyah santi.
घट्यः सन्ति
Nadyah is nadi shabdavat. It's like nadi shabda. Nadi nadyau nadyah. Ghati gatyau gatyah. Right?
Yes, yes, Guruji. का अस्ति भगिनी अस्ति के स्तः भगिन्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति भगिन्यः सन्ति करेक्ट अच्छी भगिन्यः
Yes.
सन्ति
Yes.
का अस्ति चालनी अस्ति के स्तः चालन्यौ स्तः काः सन्ति चालन्यः सन्ति
Okay, next person. Now Napumsakalinga. Udaharananusaram Achyani Likantu. Kim asti kestaha kani santi. Kim ke kani. Anupamaji. Here the objects are neuter gender. Napumsakalinga. So the Shabda is Kim ke kani. Please read.
किम् अस्ति पुस्तकम् अस्ति के स्तः पुस्तके स्तः कानि सन्ति पुस्तकानि सन्ति किम् अस्ति फलम् अस्ति के स्तः फले स्तः कानि सन्ति फलानि सन्ति किम् अस्ति पुष्पम् अस्ति के स्तः पुष्पे स्तः कानि सन्ति पुष्पाणि सन्ति किम् अस्ति पत्रम् अस्ति के स्तः पत्रे स्तः कानि सन्ति पत्राणि सन्ति किम् अस्ति त्रिशूलम् अस्ति के स्तः त्रिशूले स्तः कानि सन्ति त्रिशूलानि सन्ति
Good. Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. किम् अस्ति नेत्रम् अस्ति के स्तः नेत्रे स्तः कानि सन्ति नेत्राणि सन्ति किम् अस्ति उष्णीकम् अस्ति
Ushnikam.
उष्णीकम् अस्ति
No, read it properly. Not Ushnikam.
उष्णीकम् ओके के स्तः
No, you read it properly. You are not read the word.
ओके उष्णीषम् अस्ति के स्तः उष्णीषे स्तः कानि सन्ति उष्णीषे सन्ति
Ushnishe.
उष्णीषे नानि सन्ति उष्णीषे नानि सन्ति
What is Ushnishe? That's a new word. Palam pale palani.
Sorry,
What will happen to Ushnisham?
sorry, Ushni Sandhi.
Ushni Nani. It's wrong. What is that? Anybody?
Ushni Shani.
उष्णीषानि
Ushni Shani.
Shani.
Ushni Shani Sandhi. Sorry,
What is the meaning of Ushni Shani?
Very
Is
good.
it a heater?
Ushna, Ushnam, yes. Heater. It's a heater. Ushnisha is heater. Next one, continue.
Kim Asti Vimanam Asti. Ke Staha Vimani Staha. Kani Sandhi Vimanani Sandhi.
You are saying Sandhi only. That Sandhi is still problem is there.
Sandhi. Okay. Okay.
You need to read carefully. It is not Sandhi. Santi.
Santi. Kim Asti Vyajanam Asti. Ke Staha Vyajane Staha. Kani Sandhi Vyajanani सन्ति किम् अस्ति कमलम् अस्ति के स्तः
Simhasanam asti. Number 10.
ओके किम् अस्ति सिंहासनम् अस्ति के स्तः सिंहासने स्तः कानि सन्ति सिंहासनानि सन्ति
Okay, next person. Subbalakshmi ji. Number 11.
किम् अस्ति कमलम् अस्ति के स्तः कमले स्तः कानि सन्ति कमलानि सन्ति का अस्ति चक्करम् अस्ति
Ka
के-
asti.
किम् अस्ति चक्करम् अस्ति के स्तः चक् 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 चक्रे स्तः कानि सन्ति चक्राणि सन्ति रूप्यकं का अस्ति किम् अस्ति सॉरी किम् अस्ति रूप्यकम् अस्ति
Rupyakam.
के स्तः रूप्यकं के स्तः रूप्यके स्तः कानि सन्ति रूप्यकाणि सन्ति किम् अस्ति चित्रम् अस्ति के स्तः चित्रे स्तः कानि सन्ति चित्राणि सन्ति
Yes. Next person. Abhyasa 37. Each one of you can read 6 vakyas. Okay. Left and right. 1, 16, 2, 17, 3, 18 like that. Riktasthanani purayantu. Depending on this the Namapadam you have to see and supply the Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam not there, you have to supply. Deepika ji. Number 1.
छात्राः
Hmm.
सन्ति
Yes. Number 16. You can read the next.
एतौ वानरौ
Hmm.
एतौ that is वानरौ स्तः
Yes. See Vanaro. Eto is there. Where is Eto? Eshaha, Eto, Ete, Esha, Ete, Etaha, Etat, Ete, Etani. In Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, there is no word Eto.
yes
It is only in Pullinga. Therefore, Eshaha, Eto. Or you see Vanara. Vanaro is like Ramo. It is Pullinga only. So
Right.
connect Vanaro with Ramo. Ramo Shabda, already Rama Shabda known. Therefore, Staha. That is how you have to figure out what Kriya Padam is.
yes गुरुजी
Yes, continue.
हाँ बालिके बाल that is
Bala is Akara. The Bala is Bala
Akaranta, yeah.
Shabda.
So
Srilinga. Here Balike is this is also what? The Shabda is different.
Strilinga only.
Strilinga,
Strilinga only.
Yes.
It will be staha. Bal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pratipadikam is Balika.
Yes.
Hmm.
Tau bakau. So it will be staha only. Bakau staha.
Yes.
Puspani phale phalani. That is bahuvachanam. So it will be puspani santi.
Hmm.
Etani amrani. Etani amrani santi.
Yes. Next person. Parulji. Number 4.
Yes, sir. Phalam asti.
Good.
Eshaha tarunah asti.
Yes.
Gruham asti.
Good.
Petika stah.
Why Staha? 2 petikas are there. 2 boxes are there.
No, petika single. So petika asti.
Hmm.
Madhu makshika.
Makshika.
Madhu makshika. Madhu makshika. So madhu makshike. It is 2. Stah.
Oh, it is 2. Where is 2?
Madhu. No. Single only. Madhu makshika. Sorry. Asti.
Hmm.
Vruksho stah.
Next person. Yajnapriya. Number 7.
चटकाः सन्ति बीजं अस्ति मयूराः सन्ति दण्डाः सन्ति तरुण्यौ स्तः काष्ठानि सन्ति.
Yes, next person. Anupama ji.
What is काष्ठानि ji?
Kashta is wood. Kashtam, kashte, kashtani. Wood.
आसन्दः अस्ति वस्त्रम् अस्ति एतौ छात्रौ स्तः सिंहौ स्तः तौ अध्यापकौ स्तः दर्व्यः सन्ति.
What is Darvyaha?
Lad, this spoon, big spoon.
Yes. Pratipadikam is
Darvi.
Darvi.
Darvi. Ikaranta.
Darvi.
Srilingaha. Asandaha.
Asandaha is
Chair.
seat,
Chair.
chair, yeah, seat.
Okay. Umaji, next one. Number 13.
Yes, Guruji. अध्यापकौ स्तः.
That she has already read that. Number 13.
13, okay. अध्यापिकाः सन्ति.
Who will read Taha? You have to read. Taha Adhyapikaha, you read. Completely read the Vakya.
Okay. ताः अध्यापिकाः. Sorry. अध्यापिकाः सन्ति. Next one. एताः अध्यापिकाः. अध्यापिकाः सन्ति.
Sandhi. Again, Sandhi only coming. Hearing. This Santi. I keep saying Santi. I've said this so many times.
Okay. सन्ति.
You have to read. You have to read first consciously. You are trying to read fast and you are doing mistake. Read slowly and consciously with alertness. Alertness is required. Doesn't come by chance. The conscious effort is required. You have to be alert. Yes.
Okay. एताः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति. सः वृद्धः अस्ति. एते सज्जनाः सन्ति. एतानि पर्णानि सन्ति. तौ वृद्धौ स्तः.
It is something is you're reading something. What is Vriddho is there?
सः वैद्यौ स्तः. Sorry.
How you read Vaidyo as Vriddho? Avadheyam is to be understood. Dhyanena patantu. All these things already we know. This is all these things we have seen before. We have chanted in the class before also. Here the new thing what we have learned is today Asti Staha Santi. That is Pratama Purusha Kriyapadam. Pratama Purushe Kriyapadam Asti Staha Santi iti Kriyapadana Upayogam Bhavati. Okay, then. As I said before, that it is there in all the three linga. Pullinga, Srilinga, and Napumsakalinga is showing. They is in also depending on the context, you have to take the meaning. Depending on the Kriya Padam, the context, you have to take the meaning. Similarly, Ete is there in three places. Already we know all these things. Then the next exercise, Abhyasa 38. We will do this and then stop. Okay. Now, next person, Subhalakshmi ji. You have to use Asti Staha Santi. Yes, please read.
Harinaha Santi.
Ete Harina. Read completely. Huh?
Ete Harinaha Santi. Te Lekanyau Staha.
Why Lekanyau you are reading separately? Te Lekanyau Staha. It's one Vakya. Te Lekanyau Staha.
Te Lekanyau Staha. Ete Pustake Staha. Te Pale Staha. Te Balike ते बालिके सन्ति
Balike santi. Why suddenly?
बालिके स्तः सॉरी एते द्विचक्रिके स्तः
Okay, next
एते
person. Parulji. Number 4.
Okay. Ete balakaha.
Balakaha. Still you are not
Ete-
corrected that.
Ete balakaha santi. Ete chakre stah. Te kalike stah. Ete purushaha santi. Te parne stah. Te mayuraha santi.
Next person.
Te
Yajnapriyaji.
Yes, ji.
Number 7.
Number 7. ते बालकाः सन्ति ते मयूरौ स्तः
Mayur. Read properly.
मयूर
If it is Mayura, what is the Pradipadika? If it is Mayura, what is the Pradipadika?
मयूर
Mayura. Mayura is what linga? Akaranta Rama Shabdavat.
राम
So
शब्द
it be Mayura. Okay. Then what will be the touch of the form? Saha?
सः तौ ते
Tau Mayura. Is it Tau Mayura?
जी ते
Therefore read properly. It is not masculine. It's not Pullinga. Read number 17 again. Read the Vakyam.
ते मयूर्यौ
How did you read Mayura then? If it is Mayura, it is wrong. If it is Mayura, it has to be Tau Mayura, not Te. It can't be Te. Mayura is peacock. What is this then?
मयूरी
Mayuri. Pihen. Mayuri. Ikarantaha. Strilingaha. Mayuri Shabdaha. Nadi Shabdavat. Mayuri. Mayuryav. Mayuryaha. That Mayuryav is there. Okay. You have to read properly. Yes, read.
ते मयूर्यौ स्तः
Yes, continue. Number 8.
एते ग्रन्थाः सन्ति
Read again.
ग्रन्थाः
That's okay. Read the sentence again.
एते ग्रन्थाः
Okay. Don't afraid. Don't be afraid. It's correct only. Okay. I want to hear your ucharana. I heard ye de, not de, ye te, ye
एते
te.
ग्रन्थाः सन्ति
Yes. Okay.
एते आम्रे स्तः
Okay, good. Next person, Anupamaji.
ते माले स्तः ते लते स्तः ते आसन्दाः सन्ति ते व्यजने स्तः.
Yes, very good. So with this, we conclude today's class. You can note next lesson is 1.5, page number 8. You can remind me next class. So we are going to see some Kriya Padams. Please practice. Up to this, whatever you have learned, please practice. Don't forget what you have learned in 1 week. Keep practicing. It should be able to say fluently. The Kriya Padam should be able to use spontaneously what Kriya Padam, Bhagavachanam or Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam. That comes only by practice. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ
धन्यवादः गुरुजी
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.